and Monica are probably some of the nicest, most down-to-earth people. They love to entertain, they love to relax and enjoy themselves with their kids.
They gave us a very specific budget parameter. So we have to figure out how we can invest that money the best possible way to give them the maximum effect that they're looking for. And that takes a team.
I wanted something that worked for them, that brought the space together, that made it a space they wanted to relax in, entertain in.
Actually, that's an excellent idea. It's going to challenge us. But we're up for that challenge. There's not a challenge we've met that we haven't been able to achieve.
Tim and Dana figured out very quickly our style, helped us grow, helped push us into a new direction.
Yeah, you really need somebody with cold eyes to come in and take a look at your space, and they're going to come up with ideas that you would never have considered on your own. They use their own people. They don't use a lot of subs. So you don't have a bunch of different people coming through your house every day. You get to know the people, you get to become comfortable with them.
And that's what Renovations by Hearth and Home did. By having an in-house design team, the construction team, you know, everything coordinated for us, it was fantastic.
Picture of a range hood that she's been carrying around. Monica's had for 5 or 6 years now. This is her dream kitchen.
I would say, to a large degree, designed the kitchen around that range hood.
We couldn't have designed or imagined a design like this on our own.
It becomes a real collaborative process where at the end, all of you sit back and are so proud of what you've done. You can't help but pat each other on the back and say, I wish we could do it again.
The relationship that we have with them has now gone beyond the client relationship. We're friends.